guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Iffy. If you are new to the channel, I would ask that you subscribe with us and follow along this journey of me sharing my tips and tricks in the digital product industry. So today I would just like to share with you guys a few different digital products that are selling like crazy right now on platforms like Etsy and wherever else people are searching for digital products nowadays. But me specifically, I like to use Etsy because it's a lot easier. It's organically running traffic by itself, and you are able to get your shops up and running as soon as you start listing your products. One product that I like to start with right now is journals. Journals are great for easy startup on your shop. People are looking for different journals to use, especially digitally nowadays. So these are quick, simple ones and examples that I would like to just show you. And you can create things like this on Canva. That's also one of my favorite designer sites that I like to use for my projects as well. And you can get these created on the platform and also start listing them. So, for example, someone is, selling this personalized business portfolios, custom journals. They're selling them for, whatever they feel like is best for their product. It all depends on what you're offering. Someone, for example, this person is selling it for 195, and I would say it's always great to be fair with your prices because that way you're not overpricing things and you're not missing out on sales, right? So moving on to the another one that what I'd like to share with you guys is planners. Planners are also very good sellers digitally nowadays. People are looking for things to organize their days in moments. So planners are a great way to start you going as well. Yeah, and different different planners that are people listing on this site. So this person is selling it for $1. This person is selling it for $15. It all depends on what you're offering, like I said. And all these are made on Canva to me because I can tell by the designs that that's what some of these sellers are using. Moving on to the next one, I would like to make this quick and easy for you guys. It's another good selling one is a Canva template. Canva templates are very good for people that want to just buy your designs, right? They don't want to put the work in. They just want to buy a design that's already made by someone else, and therefore they want to use it to their advantage. So by you creating that, that's where you come in and you can make a little bit of chub change from that as well. So, for example, someone is selling this for Bright Instagram post templates. Social media templates is a great way to get Canva templates out there, and then that way people can use it to, on their social medias to advertise different things that they want to advertise on their platforms. All right, so moving on to the next one is a digital cookbook. Digital cookbooks are a great way for people that are wanting to learn different recipes every day to make in their kitchens. So if you have, if you're a good cooker and you love different kinds of food, and you are, great at what you do, then I would suggest that you put it into a book and sell it digitally. So that would be an ebook digital cookbook. So yeah, as you can see, people are selling it for different prices. It could be as low as $1, as high as $20, and some people even go higher than that, depending on what they're offering on the book. So that's another great option that to get you going. That's probably the fifth one that I'm sharing so far. Another one that I like to share with you guys is, let me see, document templates. So document templates are a great way to also get you going. and start selling digitally on platforms like Etsy, because people are looking for different documents to use, whether that's contract documents, to use on their businesses, right? So presentations, um, yeah, small business plan templates, right? So if you look at these examples, that's what are people creating um, to make others' lives easier, right? So they're just wanting to purchase it from someone like you. They've already created the document for them. Another example that I would like to share with you guys is, let me see, digital wallpaper background. All right. So another one that I like to share with you guys quickly here is spreadsheet. Um, um, let's see, spreadsheets and wallpaper, right? And background kind of templates that you can create on Canva as well and start selling them on Etsy, right? So if you look at this one, monthly budget spreadsheets, small business bookkeeping. These are things that people looking for every day. As you can see, they are star sellers because, customers out there are looking for them every day and they're wanting to purchase it from someone like you that are making it for them, right? And making their lives easier. So they pay you for it. Yeah, so Excel monthly budgets, ultimate monthly budgets, and these are coming in different prices depending on what they're offering again. So I would suggest that you can throw a different spreadsheets templates out there as well in your shop. Another one that I like to share with you guys is wallpaper or a background, right? All right, so wallpaper templates, these would be the different options we have that you're able to work with. It looks like the Shopify theme pink. So different sellers are offering different, planners and digital products with this specific niche. But yeah, this is also very sellable, very, very profitable digital product as well. Another one that I like to share with you guys, and my most favorite one would be app developer, you guys. This is a game changer for a lot of shoppers and sellers as well on the Etsy platform, because a lot of people need, app developers to work with. And if you are able to design some sort of app for them, then you are making their job way more easier than ever, and they will pay you for that. So this is another one that you're able to hop on right away and make big profits from. All right. Let's see. Probably one last more here, and we're probably going to end the video right here. Let's see. I don't know if I've mentioned it already, but content planner is also a great one. Calendars is another great one. As you can see, people are selling it from $4 to $15 to $9, even $1. Whatever you think that best suits your products and what you're offering on your products is the greatest way. Again, it's always great to keep in mind that you don't overprice these things, because there are competitions out there and you don't want to lose on a sale, right? You don't want to lose on any profit that you're able to gain just because you're overpricing your products, right? So again, these are things to keep in mind. And if you are ever in the digital product, if you're ever interested in the digital product industry, it's a billion-dollar industry, and you're able to make a lot of money from it. So these are quick and easy, ideas that you're able to hop on, but there are plenty of more. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested to learn more. But you're able to also do your own research as well. But these are just my little tips that I wanted to share with you guys because I'm also in the digital product industry and making good amount of money from it. So I'm gonna end the video here today, you guys. Thank you so much for coming and watch. Let me know what you guys think.